Long, long ago, so long ago, and nobody knows how long ago, three friends decided to explore the world of genetic algorithms. In a busy city settled between towering skyscrapers and active streets, three characters embark on a journey of discovery. The cryptic scientist Dr. Indu, the curious engineer Akshara, and the enthusiastic intern Shruti. As the story unfolds, Dr. Indu exposes the concept of genetic algorithms. Genetic algorithms are optimization techniques inspired by natural selection and genetics, where traditional methods may struggle due to large search spaces or complex objective functions. At the core of genetic algorithms is the representation of potential solutions to a problem. Each solution, often referred to as an individual or a chromosome, is enclosed using a data structure such as a string of binary digits, real numbers, or other suitable representations. This encoding allows genetic algorithms to operate on a diverse range of problem domains. Akshara, fascinated by the idea, eagerly dives into learning more about genetic algorithms. With Dr. Indu's guidance, she grasps the fundamental concept selection. Various selection strategies such as roulette wheel selection, tournament selection, or rank-based selection can be employed. Crossover. Crossover involves combining genetic material from two parent individuals to create new offspring, mimicking the process of genetic recombination in sexual reproduction. Mutation. Mutation introduces small random changes to the offspring genetic material, introducing diversity into the population and preventing premature convergence. Together, the trio embarks on a series of experiments applying genetic algorithms to various real-world problems. From optimizing traffic flow in the city to enhancing efficiency in renewable energy systems, they witness the power of genetic algorithms in finding optimal solutions amidst complexity. Through their shared adventures, Dr. Indu, Akshara, and Shruti not only master the complexity of genetic algorithms, but also forge enduring bonds of friendship, proving that with knowledge, determination, and teamwork, anything is possible. There is not a definitive ending. It's simply where I choose to conclude the story. See you soon in a new tale with fresh topics and characters. Until then, goodbye.